All right, attempt two to record this video. We installed these a 2-zone Mitsubishi system here. Okay, 2-zone. We were replacing an existing mini split system, and we replaced the pumps. And the installer that did this didn't initially wire these pumps correctly. Is what it is. Mistakes happen. Mitsubishi does not, well, yeah, we thought the board was bad, okay? So I texted, it was like 8 p.m. and I texted a bunch of pictures to our Mitsubishi rep, and I thought the board was bad. We weren't getting power 208 from the outdoor unit to the indoor units, and lo and behold, there's some hidden fuses which are in the wiring diagram if you know what you're looking for, but I missed it. Alex didn't see it, and I will show you. These are the fuses here, and so if you're not getting 208 from your outdoor to your indoor units, these fuses, and I'm sure different models are different, but these fuses are a monumental pain in the ass to access, and I'm sure you can test it from the back of the board, but I didn't, so I wanted to get eyes on them. But to gain access to these things, to get them out, this board obviously sits down like this, like that, and there's a screw here going up, and there's a screw here, right there, going up, and there's a screw there going up, and we had to take this board off. So this board sits here, and then we take this off, unwire the whole thing. We got all these wire harnesses, and then we got to take these screws out. This whole panel is supposed to come off, but they factory tightened these screws too much, so I had to like pry in here and come up with a 90 bit and take this one out to gain access. And then the fuses go right here. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see it. They've got these little covers on them. So if I were to do it again, I would have tested, I mean, I'm pretty sure you can test these points here. I think it's, yeah, see F1 and F2. I'm pretty sure if you just check here, it would tell you. And we can go over that real quick. But yeah, I'll get some footage of putting in the new ones. Sorry, yeah, we've got the airport here, and we've got the freeway here, so it's pretty noisy. But yeah, it's like mistakes happen, and it's fine. Like, but I really wish we would have known about these fuses before. Because, oh yeah, that's the thing. These are 6.3 amp, 240 volt fuses. Oddly specific, very hard to find. If you're going to be installing Mitsubishi, I highly recommend, I mean, mistakes are gonna happen, and I highly recommend having a handful of these on hand. That way, if something like this does happen, you're not in the same position we are when you're not getting paid on a job on a Friday. But yeah, so that's it. That's the whole, that's the progress report on this job. And we will, when the fuses show up here in a minute, we will show putting the new ones in, and then hopefully show the unit starting up properly. So hopefully we put these in and our problems go away. So I would imagine it's gonna be real easy to get these in because they were really easy to get out. You can come, well, yeah. There we go, that's one. So super easy to get in. I don't know how easy it is gonna be to get, I mean, it can't be that hard. Let's get this guy back on. I feel like this is like someone's gonna watch this video and it's gonna save their ass.
Oh, right.
Oh, come on. They're gonna be like, oh shit. Like, that's my problem. There we go. All right, so one is done. Let's open up another one. We bought them out. They had 10 of these fuses. We bought all 10. They're like $2 a piece. We'll keep them at the office, and then hopefully no one ever needs them, but it's like when we do, we have them on hand. This one, might be a little bit harder. Yeah, there's like not much room to get in here. I like can't figure out how to pull this whole, oh, I think the whole board does come off. I just think I have to unwire everything. So, and I'd rather not unwire it because I'm not, it's not that I'm not confident I couldn't wire it back up. It's just like,
I feel like it's unwired from down below instead.
Except this is in the way and this screw won't come out. It's like all kinds of, it's like that. This is a issue, Mitsubishi. So you guys at the factory tightened a couple of these screws way too tight and I cannot get them out. So there's two on this system. One of them is this one right here and one of them is in the back side. And so I can't get this panel off and I can't get this thing off. So huge pain in the ass. Thank you, Mitsubishi. We'll just two-hand this bitch. That's how I needed to do this. There we go. That was really easy. Now let's get what I do with the little rubber thing. The cover. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, there we go.
Ah.
I was like, no, not at all.
Okay, yeah, that's the easier way. Just do it upside down. And you can actually get in there at the right angle. You little bitch. Kind of. This thing is way harder to get on than it should be, but oh, fucking fuck. Gotta open this. Fucking bullshit. It's like trying to get over this little lip. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this screw, that's not going back in. Everything else is gonna go back in how it came out. But that screw is not. So
How does it go? Oh, it goes upward?
yeah, I had to fucking pry this open, stick my 90 in there, and then that's why that's on like that. And it's a Phillips screw, and the reason I had to do it like that is because they that one right there is too tight. You see which one I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one at the bottom doesn't come off, so I couldn't fucking take this off. So I had to open it and then wedge it in there, and I was like up against refrigerant lines and like, yo, I'm gonna fucking cause a leak. So anyway, Mitsubishi, you suck, but this is our fault. So it's our fault we're doing this. We have us to blame. Okay. Hopefully this just fucking works. Even this one, go in like this. It's like, come on, Mitsubishi, why would you do us like this?
Sag squeeze.
Got him. Yeah, like imagine trying to get this one out.
Yeah.
Yeah, ridiculous. Why would you guys put it in like this? So yeah. Huh?
No, I just said sad, just stepped on these.
Don't step on the board. Yeah, let's move this. Last thing we need to have happen. Give me some downward pressure right there. All right, that one's done. And then,
There it goes.
all right, we just powered on. I don't think you guys realize how nervous we are. That's oh, it turned on. Yeah.
Oh, thank God. I was counting the LEDs.
Is it blinking?
It was, but I didn't count the number.
It's glowing.
I was nervous.
I didn't tell anyone in the video that it was you yet.
Well, now they know. It was a classic mistake. Oh, God.
It's I guess we gotta make sure everything turns on, you know. You know, they have all these fuses in here, and luckily it was the ones that weren't soldered on. We could have soldered it on if we had to, or we would have tried, but I'm glad we could just unclip it from below, because if we couldn't have, then we would have been really taking our chances. Ooh.
There it is.
All right, so F1, F2 fuses, and oh, that's the other thing I wanted to check. I mean, still have this board open. I would say the expedited way to check if your fuses are blown . You have on this board right here points that you can test things on. Like, this is all live, and yeah, you can see like F1, F2. I don't know if it's going to be super clear on the GoPro, but man, hoping this mic does an okay job at not taking up that audio. But if you take your voltmeter and you can just check for continuity between like here and here. Nope, there's no continuity there. I would have thought maybe here. Nope, maybe the back of this board has a little coating on it that doesn't let us do it. Yep, nope, you just gotta open it up, it looks like.
What was that? I thought I heard it.
I didn't. Looks like it's got enough of a protective coating on it. Oh, there it is. You kind of got to push, but yeah, you see there's no resistance there. So if you can find a spot, but it seems unreliable on the back of this board. So yeah, in theory, you some of them may work better, but anyway, yeah. So that's it. F1, F2 fuses. If you're not getting power to your indoor units, I would say start here. And every one of these, hopefully you're on a model that's easier to access these fuses than the one we are, because I mean, they're on the wiring diagram, but they're not super clear. It's just like, right, F1, F2, right there. It's like, and that goes from, yeah, anyway. So we thought that the board was for sure bad, and evidently the board was not bad. So we are blowing nice and cold now. So like if we would have had the fuses on us, this would have saved us several days, and we would have been paid already, because we have the check, we just haven't deposited it. So and that's just because I mean, we're not going to collect money if we don't have a working system installed. So it's like, and that seems fair to me. It's gonna be hard to tell in the video, but it is running. So, units are on. We got them. Just wanted to show the finished product. F1, F2. Man, like, yeah, we almost had to order the board in from Georgia. So it's good that Mitsubishi puts in these little protections, but man, they should, I mean, I guess it's in the wiring diagram, so I guess it's equally our fault. And we don't make mistakes like this one very often. So we've done a lot of Mitsubishi systems and have never done this. So it's, I would imagine most brands have similar fuses. So if you're looking at a different unit or a different brand and you similar issue, then I would see if your mini split has fuses that you can replace, and then it's going to save you a whole lot of potentially money, headache, and downtime too, because the board, yeah, like I said, the board is in Georgia, and we would have had to overnight that thing in to get it done by Friday. We're really lucky this home is vacant and it's cool out. So both those things, and they have someone moving in this weekend. So it's like, holy crap, like, good thing we got this done, because if we hadn't, then a good thing these fuses worked, because we would have been really cutting it close. So